Hey guys, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. I'm right outside the Tesla Service Center in Springfield, New Jersey, right on busy Route 22. Whoa, it's so busy. And I'm changing the tires in my Model 3 from winter tire to all seasons. As spring has sprung in New Jersey. Not really, it's cold. Anyway, so just waiting for my car to be finished. So I just wanted to share with you, I've been reading reports, everybody's anticipating the Tesla deliveries both in the United States and in Europe, especially the Model 3. So the estimates for the United States in March is probably something between 10 to 12,000 deliveries of Model 3s, 2,700 Model S's and 2,400 Model X's. And no numbers yet on Europe, but I'm following the news carefully, and I will update you with the complete numbers in the next day or two. So just stay tuned. Thank you for watching, guys. Just wanted to share this news with you. Bye.